In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can send GIFs on Snapchat. So if you want to go ahead and send a GIF to someone in a Snapchat message, what you need to do is either go onto the Google Play Store on an Android device or the Apple App Store on a iPhone. So I'm on an Android, so I head to the Google Play Store. And then once you're on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, you want to just search for an app called GIFI. And it's that top result. Go ahead and tap on that. And then you want to go ahead and make sure that this is installed. So I have it installed. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And then you can see different options at the bottom. There's a home button, there's a search button, and then there's a profile button. And I also want to mention that when you first open up the GIFI app, you will just need to create an account really quickly, or you can just sign up with Facebook. And then once you're logged in, you can tap on search to search for a GIF that you want to send. So let's just say I want to send my friend something that says awesome. Tap on awesome, and it's going to bring up a whole bunch of GIFs. So let me just say I want to go for this one with the little Lego man right there. The GIF will load, and then you can see below it there's a heart, and then there's a little share aeroplane. What you need to do is go ahead and tap on the share aeroplane. Now you can do various things. You can see there's a Snapchat logo, so you can directly go to Snapchat and send this. And there's another option where you can copy the GIF links, but I don't recommend copying the link because that kind of sends it like a link, and then they have to click the link and then go to GIFI. It's a huge process. So just tap on the Snapchat logo. It's going to say posting on Snap. And then it's going to go ahead and launch up Snapchat, and then you just want to tap on the blue send button at the bottom right, and then you can go ahead and select the friend that you want to send the GIF to. So I'll select a friend, tap on the send button, and the GIF is now sending, and you can see it has been now delivered. And if I go ahead and tap on that chat, you can just see it says delivered, and that GIF will be visible to that person. And let me just show you the example. If I tap on this chat, you can see if you copy the link and send it, it's going to send it like that, and then they have to click on that link and go to GIFI, which you don't want. So that is how you send GIFs on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.